In the women's final, Maria Sharapova faced Petra Kvitova, and a victory for Sharapova would mean she moves up to number 2 in the world. The Russian in the far court entered the match with a 5-2 head-to-head advantage, including 4 straight wins. Here she breaks Kvitova to take the first set 6-4. The Czech powerhouse would storm back in the second, and despite his volley winner from Sharapova, the Wimbledon champ would hold serve. Now serving on set points, Kvitova takes it 6-2 with an unreturnable forehand, and we're going to a decider. Sharapova takes a 5-3 lead in the last, and with a big serve on match point, she wins her first China Open title in 2 hours and 28 minutes, which means she will overtake Kvitova in the rankings. This is the Russian superstar's first title since her victory at Roland Garros earlier this year.